Let's get your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router and modem set up. First, unpack your Spectrum equipment. You should have the Wi-Fi 6 router, a modem often combined into one device, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Connect the coaxial cable from the wall to the modem port on the modem. Then, plug in the power adapter for both the modem and the router. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to one of the gigabit Ethernet ports on the router. This wired connection is for the initial setup. Make sure both devices have power and wait for them to boot up. The lights should indicate they are ready. This ensures a stable initial setup before configuring the Wi-Fi. Now, let's activate your service and configure your Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your connected computer and go to spectrum.net or use the Spectrum mobile app. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your modem router using your Spectrum account credentials. The app typically streamlines this process. Once activated, you'll be prompted to set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Choose a strong password and select WPA3 Security for enhanced protection. Select WPA3 Security for enhanced protection against vulnerabilities. Enable Guest Network if desired for visitors, and set parental controls to manage internet access for children. After setup, disconnect the Ethernet cable and connect your devices wirelessly using the new Wi-Fi network details. Run a speed test using Ookla or a similar service to confirm you're getting the speeds you're paying for. Place the router in a central location for the best coverage. For larger homes, consider Spectrum's mesh Wi-Fi extenders for whole home coverage. If you face issues, the Spectrum app offers troubleshooting tools or contact their tech support.